Hi guys, this morning I'm going to show you how I make my breakfast tortilla pie. It might sound like a lot of work having a pie for breakfast, but not this pie. It's so seriously easy and it takes no time. So I just have a cast iron skillet. You can use anything here that can go into any dish that preferably is round, because after all we are making a pie and it just seems a little bit more appropriate if it's round. So I'm just brushing this with oil to prevent it sticking. And this is what I use as the base of my pie. It's a tortilla. Now when I first started making these, I never used to put a top on it. It was just a crispy shell. It was like eggs and toast, just in a different way. So next I've got a couple of slices of good ham. I'm just going to tear them into the base. Crack in a couple of eggs. And then I'm just going to grate in some cheese. I want to add about a third of this cheese. This is really good, mature cheddar. Okay, that's just about enough. To add a little salt just to my yolks, because I'm sure by now you know how much I love salt with my eggs. That's it, our pie is almost assembled. Just want to push in the top and just fold and press it down around the eggs and into the sides of the bottom tortilla. Okay, like that. And now I'm just going to add a little more cheese on top. This is great at any time of day too, not just breakfast. I just speed things up just a little bit. I just put it on heat just to warm up the skillet, because they're so heavy they can take a while to heat up. This just means it needs less time in the oven and not long. I really don't want this to cook at all here, just simply to warm through the cast iron. Okay, my pie's ready for the oven now. It's just going to take 15 minutes in a 200-degree oven. And by then, my eggs should just have set and still be runny within and the cheese and tortilla all blistered and golden. So my pie has had its time in the oven. Now it's very hot, so just carefully transfer it to a plate. Hungry, so I'm going right in. Looking forward to this. You can hear how crunchy the tortilla has become. It's really very good and very easy. So guys, if you like this recipe and want to keep up to date with all my recipes, please turn on the notifications and subscribe below. You don't think I need to be left alone with my pie.